Throw up, just take the paint line.
Yep. All right, ready?
Yep.
Oh, I could have made that for sure.
Alright?
Yeah. That's not the line off of that.
Straight down the middle.
Yeah, I tried to get a little fancy.
Tried to hit the rock on the right side.
No, I got this one, but I just landed over here.